Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to high-end creative interior design. In today's video, we're embarking on a captivating home tour that unveils the allure of 8 Dreamhouse white interior designs for living rooms in American homes. Let's dive into the mesmerizing details that make these spaces true masterpieces. Each living room exudes timeless elegance, marrying classic beauty with modern sophistication. The white tones serve as a canvas for an array of design elements that come together harmoniously. Discover the artful balance between serenity and dynamism. The interplay of white tones with textures and accents infuses the space with a dynamic energy while maintaining a sense of tranquility. Explore the thoughtfully chosen furnishings that grace these living rooms. Each piece contributes to the overall aesthetic, seamlessly blending comfort and style. Delve into the world of thoughtful decor, where every item tells a story. From carefully curated artwork to meticulously placed accessories, these living rooms are brimming with character. Witness the meticulous attention paid to the play of light and shadows. Natural and artificial lighting coalesce to enhance the ambience, casting an enchanting spell throughout the space. Immerse yourself in the understated luxury that defines these living rooms. The white aesthetics exude a crisp allure that captures the essence of American living with a touch of opulence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts as we journey through these captivating living room designs.